Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be showing my signature look. So this is the look I can wear anywhere I go, sweet and simple. So if you are interested, please keep watching. First you have to moisturize your face. I will be using All Smiles Body Butter Moisturizer. It smells really good and it's good for oily skin. So you should definitely try this. Then for priming I will be using the Inside Primer. I will apply it wherever I need priming. Don't forget your eyes. And then spread it all over. For the foundation, I will be using the Fit Me foundation. This is a little bit lighter shade for me. I prefer you to buy foundation of your own shade so that you will get a great base with that. Always wet your beauty sponge a little bit and then place it on your foundation. You can see I'm tapping all over, so you also have to tap it only. For contouring, I will be using this Swiss Beauty Concealer. For compacting, I will be using the exposed powder and apply it wherever I have concealed. I will just brush my eyebrows. For the blush, I will be using this Color Bar lipstick. Just take some amount of lipstick, then apply it wherever you need it. That's it. Then blend. It gives more natural look to your face, so that's why I like applying lipstick for my blush. For mascara, I will be applying this Lash Sensational Mascara. Don't forget your lower lash. Many of you forget it. For the lipstick, I will be using this matte lip liquid lipstick from Body Shop. And I am done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday. Stay tuned.